Welcome to the behind the scenes with Hell on Earth. This is the stuff that wasn't included in the Baby Dick Church / American Satan Church. We're doing some product shots of up and coming new t-shirts right now. Do you know what I said, that you don't drop the soap in church? Put your pants down, spread the cheeks, do a wiggle. I want to see that shit hit the ground.
Is this an actual song then?
No.
Alright, you're making this up?
Yeah.
You make a good song, This is like something from Tornado Alley. I saw a tornado the other day.
Oh, you're not in school, you don't have to put your hand up. You're in church, get down on your knees. Every photo shoot ends up like this. Photo shoot. You can also purchase these shirts soon. In fact, when this video goes out, is that when the shirts are going to get put out? Fantastic. So the shirts will be online right now at uptheho.com. I need to go get naked now. Fresh. What the hell did I walk in on? Don't get you.
Alright, put your ass away.
Why? Are you standing my ass out in church? No, I'm not part. I don't.
Fucking hell, you see how big his head is?
That actually still doesn't fit me.
I think that's more hair than head.
Is it fuck? My head's massive.
Nah. Why are you so proud about your head being big?
Because
Just means you're a problem child.
It must mean that it took a good push to get you out.
and give us stitches.
What, your own mother?
What,
So-
you did the stitching?
What?
Down the right attach there.
This is what happens when Lloydie gets power mad and starts telling us what to do. We've got to kneel in a church for him while he takes pictures of our asses. Hiya. Do you want us to go like this, Lloydie? Is this completely pointless because you can't even see the t-shirt? Fuck off, you piece of shit. You've been really nasty to me recently.
Me? I've been nothing but nice to you. Why do you look stoned?
Because he was tired.
He's stoned, boy. He's been smoking.
He weren't tired until he came in this.
Until he started vaping.
Until he came in this church.
He's been smoking ganja. Boy, there's one thing you need to know.
What's that?
The Rastafari stand alone.
Can we go somewhere that sells food?
We don't have time to eat.
Oh, fuck. Did you see what I mean?
You should have brought snacks with you.
So I said, oh, I need a wee. You should have brought a toilet with you.
Well, no, because you can't carry a toilet around with you. A packet
you
of crisps you can carry around with you, can't you? You fucking stupid dickhead.
Thank you very much for watching the fuckery that goes on behind the photo shoots of our new shit. If you want to get this new shit, is it live now or is it live in like a couple of days?
No.
It's live right now. Go. I can't do the rest of that accent. Head over to uptheho.com. Get this cool shit. It's fucking ass. It's probably. I reckon this is our best shit.
This t-shirt?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is our best
Our
t-shirt
best shit.
ever.
It's our best shit, and if you don't get it, you're a fucking loser. So go and buy it now. What?
I don't think that's a very
Great
good
marketing
I
campaign.
don't think that's a very good marketing tactic. I don't think Pepsi go around saying if you don't drink our shit, you're a fucking loser.
That'd be fucking great.
Do people lie to the customers?
Do people lie to their customers?
Yeah, they do, don't they?
We don't.
I don't.
We don't.
I don't. That's why I just said it. If you don't have it, you're a fucking loser. It's true.
So you actually think that anyone who doesn't have our t-shirts is a fucking loser?
I don't talk to people that don't own anything that
That you own.
I'm only joking. I'm not joking. I'm not fucking joking. Buy that shit now, bye.